Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove or delete a phone number from your Cash App account. So if you've changed your phone number or you want to unlink an old number, knowing how to remove it from Cash App is essential for account security. This video is perfect for anyone who wants to update their contact information or remove a number from their Cash App account. This video is going to be simple, short, and straight to the point, so make sure to stick around all the way to the end to learn how to remove your phone number from Cash App. So first things first is you're going to want to go to your Cash App app. Now there's a couple ways of doing this. You can scroll down like I did and type in Cash App and it'll take you right to the app, or you can find it on your homepage, whichever one you like better. But since it's right here for me, I'm just going to click on it and you'll see your home screen right away. You can see I have $0. Very basic. None of that matters though. What you want to focus on is going to be your profile picture in the top right corner. So you're going to click on that. And whenever that loads up, you're going to see a whole bunch of different options, but you're going to want to go to personal. Now, whenever personal loads up, you're going to go down to contact info, and then it is right there. So you can add a phone number, add an email, and then also remove your phone number. So if you want to do that, all you do is hit the remove button and boom, your phone number is removed, and vice versa. If you want to add your phone number or add an email, you just click those buttons, put in the information, and it will update in your Cash App account. And that's really all there is to it whenever it comes to removing or changing your phone number in the Cash app. But here are some important tips that may be helpful in the future. Tip number one is to make sure you have a new phone number or email linked before removing your old one. The second tip is you can update your contact info in the profile section of the Cash app. My last tip is if you're having trouble, you can always reach out to Cash App support for future assistance. And with the tutorial and the tips out of the way, that's really all I have for you today. If you did find this tutorial helpful, please be sure to drop a like. Also be sure to share this video with a family member, a friend, or anyone you think this video will be helpful to. But most importantly of all, be sure to subscribe for more future tutorials. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great day and peace out.